Hello everyone, welcome to ITCPower. ITCPower empower your business. Today I will introduce and show you around our factory. Okay, let's go. ITCPower was established in 2018, focused on diesel generators from kVA to 500 kVA, diesel engines, diesel water pumps, and mobile light towers. First, let's visit a single-cylinder workshop, which primarily produces 5 to 28 horsepower air-cooled single-cylinder diesel engines. Our portable silent generators production line is capable of manufacturing 144 to 160 units per day. Our best-selling models are the 5 to 10 kilowatt silent generators. Next, we arrive at our industrial generator production workshop, where we primarily manufacture generators ranging from 10 to 500 kilovolt amperes. We offer a wide selection of engine brands, including Yuchai, SAIC, Cummins, and Kubota. If you have any interest, welcome your arrival.